Back in the day, we used to go through the restaurants very often, the outskirts of cities. The latest trend is that we found places, and that's what we're doing here right now. Almost of media has turned up, I can only be one thing. Udayanidhi Stalin is on the grid, and what a moment these things like. Udayanidhi Stalin with the cars, with the promoters of the game, special stuff.
Yeah, okay.
It is indeed. I just can't emphasize just how important the league is, not just for Indian motorsport, but also for the Tamil Nadu government as well. At an event of this caliber, a world-class level event with international talent competing in India in World Spec Championship class. This is quite something.
Let's remind everyone that Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer in Indian motorsport. Both Indian football riders have come from Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu, over the years, has produced motorsport for the country, has been at the start of the automobile sector in many ways. And here he is, Shri Udayanidhi Stalin on the grid. And there's a lot of fanfare around this moment because he has really done so much for the sport, for this occasion as well. And a lovely moment there, Amani Ibrahim alongside him as he heads across the cars. Udayanidhi Stalin, someone who is that sport beyond the hill. Because they're taking the sport and it's otherwise within touching distance. They don't get to actually get a feel of machinery of this caliber. So to see the sport, motorsport, Formula 4 cars come to the streets of Chennai is so special. He's getting a good look at it as well for their next time.
And we're not a million miles away from the city centre. We've got a couple of train stations nearby. We're right next to Marina Beach and the Island Grounds. This is in the middle of the city. And this is amazing. The flag of Tamil Nadu Stalin is just about coming. I was thinking, what is it going to be like when all the kids are in there realizing, man, I'm a part of this historic moment. Not just for Indian racing, but also for the Tamil Nadu government and the sports industry in this thing. This is special. I think 10, 15, 20 years down the line, we're going It's such a momentous occasion. Chennai being open the roads for anywhere they can try with ambulance ride. So you know, it's perfect because when people think of motorsport in India, the first city to Chennai. And the fact that we're coming back here, not just at the Madras International Circuit for the first time, but in the middle of the city, 8,000 to 10,000 people expected here tomorrow. This is a big occasion. It's a very big occasion and to some extent it makes me very emotional. Someone who's grown up watching motorsport, but seeing it happening within our own country and on the screen of the it's amazing. And I have no words.